welcome back to my YouTube video. If you guys want to see how I got these beautiful like curl waves, like blowout waves, keep on watching. I use the Dyson Airwrap. I kind of wet my hair in a way, and it's very echoey because I'm in my bathroom, but I go in with the Brio Geo hair blowout. It's their anti-freeze blowout cream, and this is a new bottle. So after I get my Dyson, and if you guys know what Dyson looks like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people know, this is how it looks like inside. This is everything that I necessarily need. I use the bigger barrel for this case. I'm just gonna take this out off camera because I don't want to drop everything. This is how it looks like without any attachments, and I'm using the bigger barrel, so you just gotta go and snap it on. And if you want to like change the attachment, you just gotta release it and just go back it on. That's it. And there's like nods up here to go which way. That's all I gotta do. So I'm gonna do a voiceover while I do this because the Dyson does sound like this, so you can't really hear me, so I'm gonna just do a voiceover. With the Dyson, I kind of like to work in the middle of my hair and just kind of work its way up because it does work better when your hair is like semi-damp but not too damp. Kind of like to curl it in like a curling iron in a way, and then I always use the cold shot to like cool it a little bit and then let it go, and it looks like this. I like going in with it twice. Then I'm starting on like the other side of my head. I'm just gonna start speeding up this process because it kind of gets boring if you're just watching me just curl my hair the whole time. Like on my right side, it's so much easier for me. I don't know why, because maybe it's like on my dominant hand side, but I just like working with the Dyson because it's a lot easier. I do small sections of my hair because it's a lot easier, and I'm going back into the other side and working from the middle and just recurling some spots because it does fall out. So I'm just going back in and going in with spots that I've missed, and it's easy when you get the hang of it, but I'm just like doing this over and over just to make sure like I get the top parts of my hair because those don't hold long for some reason. And a lot of this is sped up. Do you see like how it just fell out? So I'm just using this, just going all over my head again and recurling each part. I don't know why, but it's kind of satisfying to see like the air wrap just like wrap around the hair. And this is just, I sectioned off my hair again and just working on the parts of my head that are not curled yet. And the only thing that I really struggle with the most is my curtain bangs because they're kind of grown out in a way, which I'm getting my hair cut very soon, and just using the Dyson helps in a factor to like curve the bangs out, and like you'll see in a bit when I use it. And I have to be very careful because I don't want to burn like my forehead because that's the last thing that I wanted to do. And just like small sections is a lot easier for like the Dyson to like wrap around. Just like my bangs, I have to go in twice because it's like long, and the first time it just swooshes it, which I don't really like that, so I had to go back in with it, and it kind of like curls it in a way, so I had to like do this for like a couple seconds and then let it down. And this is how it looks like on like my left side. Now I'm gonna do it on my right side, which is my fun and easy side. Look at the thing that just like kept my hair together, just like wrapped it, it stayed there. Now I'm just like brushing through my hair. It's a little damp because I did like wet it to be able to like use the Dyson, and I'm just like sectioning it off like little pieces and just working in with my Dyson. That's basically it. It's not that hard, and it's very easy to like use. Also, disclaimer, sometimes the Dyson won't wrap fully on your head because the hair strands is still too wet for it, so it kind of like dries it off in a way. Like when it's wraps fully, this is what happens to it. You can hear my neighbor's car, and it just like wraps perfectly around the Dyson, and then just like it's like a perfect fit in a way. But when it's like too wet, it won't, because it has a hard time gripping it. Like look at the curls, they're so perfect, they're so nice. I like doing this on like certain days, but I don't like doing it all the time because it takes so much time, because it's just satisfying to see like Dyson because it just wraps it. It's like a thing. See, like it had to struggle right there because there's like some strands that are still a little too wet that it has like little struggles like gripping onto it. which is perfectly fine. So I have to like work around it. I'm trying to like move it along the way to dry it in a way for it to grip easier, and sometimes it doesn't work that way and it's fine, but you can just use your hand and kind of use it like a curling iron in like some cases. Towards the end, my arms kind of get tired because my hair is really long and curling your hair can take a lot of work in a way, but Dyson's nice because it kind of blow dries your hair in a way so your hair is dry. But towards like this part, I like my bangs, but it's just a struggle because sometimes like they hold it, sometimes they don't, they kind of fall out. I can't wait to get them shorter. And do you see like how it just curves really perfectly? I'm just going in with like parts that I miss and just making sure that they're all curled. It's like this part right here, I missed the top part, so I'm just going in again in the middle and just working my way in. After that section, I am completely done. And this is how it looks afterwards. It's very voluptuous. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. It's a little bit longer, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.